people! What's up? Aadi Jain back here. New day, new project, fresh start. So guys, today's video is for book lovers. And I'm damn sure guys, you guys are one of them. So you must have already guessed what are we doing today. So we are making bookmarks guys, your own funky custom bookmarks. So I will be teaching you two different ways in which you guys at home can make your own bookmarks. So without wasting any time, let's get straight into it. Okay, so the first type of art is doodle art. Yeah, I know guys, you must have already heard about this. I got really fascinated when I saw its pictures on internet. You know, it expresses everything you want to express, even on a small piece of paper. So I thought to pen it down. So I would start up by making my own page layout. You can do it any way you want. There is no restriction guys. Just have a creative mind and pen down everything you have in your mind. So you can create your own designs on this, and then you would have the perfect doodle art for a bookmark. You can do it related to a book. You can do it related to your hobbies. It's all upon you guys. Just pen it down. So let's complete up the layout. So guys, this is my final layout and I'm pretty much satisfied with this. So now my favorite part, inking and coloring. Okay, so for inking I will be using black sketch pen, alpha chisel black watercolor marker. And at places to create depth, I will be doing multiple layers at the same place. So let's do with this. Okay, so guys, this is how it looks completely inked up. I have used purple color sketch pen also. I have used blue color sketch pen also to make it cool and to make it more funky. And you can see that now I will color it with sketch pens and the watercolor markers. This would look really great, guys. Trust me, it would turn out very nice. Okay guys, this is the final piece. You can see I have shown my hobbies, I have shown how much I like books, I have shown I love football and everything. You know, a small piece of paper can also express a lot of things. So this was the first type of bookmark. Let's head on to the next one. So for the next one, we will be creating a sunset scene using soft pastels. So I have my soft pastels. I have made a small white colored sun in the center, and now I am using yellow color. Like this I will be using orange, pink and every color, but it has to be light to dark. So let's finish this. So guys, custom sunset scene ready. As you can see, the colors become darker as they move away from the sun. So these are the two types of bookmarks which we made today, and these are looking great, guys. So which one did you like more? Let me know in the comments. And I think there is no comparison between them. Both look good at their own places, right? So hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and if you did, make sure to leave a like on this video, subscribe to my channel, and also let me know in the comments that what more ideas should I be back with. So bye for now.